It's a nice looking list. It is February 16th, right?
Yes.
And we've got until the end of May for the first cool drift event. That car right there, Steven's new pride and joy, needs to have this SR in it.
Yep.
Cool wheels, full suspension, angled kit, standalone. He's got the link that he bought over a year ago to put in it. Basically a full build. We have to do it in 2 months, basically.
So the first thing we're going to start with is doing the front suspension. We can also do the rear suspension as well, since I've got just a horde of parts. I've got coilovers, all the arms, front knuckle, hubs. I'm going to use the Z32 brakes for my white car. So I've got basically everything to do full suspension and everything. Brakes. Only thing I'm missing actually are 350Z rotors. I don't have front rotors yet. So that might be a problem actually, because I'm doing...
No, what we could do is we could just steal the rotors from the 13 for now.
And not do like the
just
bracket,
stick it on the ground.
Not do the adapter.
What adapter?
I've got the adapter to do the larger rotors. It's going to push the caliper further away. I don't think it's
Oh, then whatever. We could just do this to get it on the ground.
Yeah. And
then when you get lines, you don't even need lines.
No, I know. I'm just saying, like, should we do, like, the caliper would just be, like, a little bit higher up.
We honestly don't even need to put the caliper on. Just put the rotor on so we can put cool wheels on.
True.
Whatever. Let's just get started.
Okay.
Have fun.
We're going to start with the front end. Just start taking it apart to see how far we get. And, yeah.
You want to show them the parts that we have to put on?
Yeah. Parts will show now. All right. So for the suspension, I went with some PBM coilovers. Just their, like, entry-level. I think they're competition, but just their entry-level coilovers. For hubs, I went with Ichiba rear 5-lug hubs and then GKTech front hubs.
You also got the cool bracket to run 350G rotors with the Z32 calipers.
Yep. So it's a slightly larger diameter rotor. And then for front knuckles, I went with PBMs.
That cool ass shit right there.
Yep. We get it out. She's wedded. I know. There we go. PBM action. Old drop knuckle. So a little bit of some PBM parts, and then for the rear arms, they're somewhere in the garage, but they're just P2M adjustable arms. But
somewhere in this mess.
So yeah, we're gonna start with suspension, just also to see some cool wheels in the car to get a little bit of motivation, and then from there we'll start doing some engine stuff. There's some engine stuff we have to put together, and then pull the S14 SR out of the Silvia, get this engine all buttoned up, and then start doing the swap. And then I'm sure there'll be some things that I'm missing. I kind of pieced everything together, but the sooner that this engine's in that car, I'll start knowing, like, oh, I forgot like one part here and there, so we can kind of get that done as fast as possible. So we've got like 1 or 2 days of nice weather. So just got off work. It's getting a little dark, but
let's get to it, bub.
We got that, so hopefully that helps us. A little headlamp. So all right, we're gonna get to work. I'm gonna go to my cross member.
Wow, what a stock car. Oh, this is taking a long time.
And this is what I get for daily driving this car and going to construction sites and stuff. Look at this. Underneath is all covered in like this dust, concrete and paste and whatever from like my whole frame rail. Look at that. We're gonna have to power wash this thing. That's bad. Or also it could be protecting it from rusting.
That's the good stuff. The good thing is you can probably sell these.
These are $4
These are probably worth money.
Alright, I think I might start with pouring.
Do the liner first, and then
I was gonna say the liner. I wonder if it didn't break because it has. Did you have that?
Huh?
This thing is so clean, dude. This is insane.
Dude, I don't get how this makes money.
Like, a divot.
Yeah.
Dude, this one's not so nice. So not fun. I actually hate it.
I actually hate it.
It's not like they're.
Yeah.
Oh. Hold on. Do I like wipe this stuff down real quick?
Yeah. Like good, dude. I'll bring a coil over too. Would you do those at 100 brakes? Then that's the torque at least.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing at work. I've been measuring breakaway torque. Seem like enough. Okay.
I just like going balls to the wall. There's a million guys out here that do extended service.
Still good?
Yeah.
It already looks so much better.
That's it?
Huh?
I told you I had to go full down.
I mean, you can play with it, man. Nice. Hold up. So wait, where's that washer going? At the top?
At the top, yeah. So put it
That one goes at the top?
Yeah.
Okay. Positive?
Yeah, just look at it. It needs to go into the groove.
Correct. Now, is this going to be an issue?
No.
Which hole do I put it in? This one. Okay. Wait, is this something I need?
Huh? Big bolt.
Good thing I connected them.
That's really cool.
Steel or something.
Because there's silver underneath it, like, not like raw metal silver.
That might be like zinc plate or something.
I mean, they're
Wait, you made it shorter?
Huh?
You made it longer.
What's the issue?
The holes are nowhere near to get there.
Well, does the fucking hub look centered right now?
I don't know. What, pushing it? Does it look centered or too far back?
It's too far back. I say shove it. Tension on to lower control under 69 to 83.
Let's see what we got here, bud.
What?
Stopped.
You all the way? Or no? I don't know. You brought this phone.
Yeah, shut up. Why would I have to get the bolt ready? Like, what's he telling? Look at this guy done. That looks much bigger. That looks significantly bigger. I like that. Let's get one little nug nut. Nug nut. Oh, it's on the other side, so we're gonna hand tighten that. Can't tell. Should I just use the ratchet?
What is that? That's fine.
Huh?
That's fine. I'm trying to do the D10.
So I can't control the thing through my phone. And I tried to like redo it, like reconnect it, but it's not catching my internet.
We could do a Wi-Fi repeater.